and welcome back to part 2. I think I'm just going to crack straight on with this one and show you the rest of what I've got. Now to my favourite item. Favourite items. So, for those of you that go on Aliexpress, you'll have probably heard of the Colours World, which is a glitter store on Aliexpress. And they sell more wholesale, to be honest. So if you want to buy a set, you can buy a set of 12. You get 10 grams of each 12 glitters. But if you just want to buy one of them glitters out the set, you can only buy it in a 50-gram bag. If that makes sense? Hopefully that makes sense. So I decided to buy the set. Now, these are to die for. I've not seen anything like these ever. They're so unique. So to start with, there is this one. Now look at that. That is gorgeous. It's got like medium hexes, small hexes in light pink, hot pink, white and yellow. And these are all matte as well, which I absolutely love. I'm really into matte glitters at the minute. I'm loving matte glitters right now. Then there's this one, and this just reminds me of Easter. Really does. It's beautiful colours in there. And again, you've got the medium hexes, small hexes, and you've got blue, like a mint green, light pink, hot pink. And again, these are all matte. Oh, they're just so pretty. Like I say, you get 10 grams of these, but there's only 5 grams in there because I have took half out and sent them to somebody. So some lucky lady has got the other half to these. You know who you are. So yeah, these were full. These were well and truly packed full. And then this one reminds me of fruit salads. Now look at that. How pretty is that? But even though these glitters are matte, they still shine. They're so strange, but in a good way. A really, really good way. Absolutely love them. Absolutely love them. And there is this one. How pretty is that? So again, you've got the different hexes in there. You've got lilac, white and black. They're just so pretty. Absolutely so pretty. If you're interested in buying these individually, guys, just pop that search number into Aliexpress and it'll bring up this whole set, and then you just pick the individual glitter that you want. But like I say, you can only buy it in a 50-gram bag if you buy it just one glitter. This one actually is the one I was thinking of for Easter. How pretty is that? Oh my god, I love it. That is so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Look at them colours. That is just such Easter colours, isn't it? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I love them. Then we've got this one. This one reminds me of Halloween. Look at that. So you got, again, the same hexes in there, but you've got orange, and it's a really nice kind of grey kind of blue. It's a really unique blue colour. It is a blue, but it's in between a gunmetal grey and a blue. I'm hoping you can see the colour properly on camera. Probably just, yeah, if you look kind of, yeah, you can kind of see it, but it is looking slightly darker on camera to what I'm seeing it. But yeah, how pretty is that? I can't wait to get another collection now. This is the only problem. I am now addicted. And I never thought I'd hear myself say that about glitter. Never. I've never been mad for glitter at all, but this past, I don't know, the past couple of weeks is just, I've just gone a bit crazy for glitter. And now this has arrived, I'm even worse. Now I want the rest. of the collections, what they do. You can't really see this one. The pink seems to be sticking to the edge of the bag for some reason on this one. So that is this one. So in this one you've got blue, orange and pink. Yeah, blue, orange and pink. Now that's it for the chunkier ones. Now the rest of these, what I'm going to show you, they've got a fine glitter running through them as well, which these are probably my favourite because I do like fine glitter, to be honest. But it is strange because I found that I really prefer the colours of these chunkier glitters, but I still do like a fine glitter. Now this one is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. How pretty is that? You can't really see again. It's sticking to the bag. I might be able to see it better. But yeah, that is so different. I've not seen anything like this. So unique. So you've got like a grey fine glitter, a gold fine glitter, and then you've got pink and grey and gold hexes in there. How unique is that? That is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Then we've got this one. Again, this has got like a beige and a gold and a grey fine glitter. But then it's got, oh, it's got pink fine glitter in there as well. And it's got hot pink hexes, gold hexes, and blue hexes, and I think that is it. I think that is just stunning as well. They're all really, really pretty. So there's that one. Then there's this one. It's got kind of autumny kind of vibe. So this one's got gold and this really pretty blue in the fine. But it's also got the burnt orangey colour as well in the fine. So it's got gold, blue and that burnt orange in fine glitter. But then it's also got the same in the hex mix as well. It's just really, really pretty. I can't wait to use these. I really can't wait. Then we've got this one. This is really, really pretty. Ooh, I love that blue. How pretty is that blue? So pretty. So on this one we've got that gorgeous blue and like a champagne gold fine glitter, and then the same again in the hexes. Oh god, that is just so pretty. Oh my days. Oh my god. And then lastly is this. I think this is probably my favourite, and I think it's probably my favourite because it is so different. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous duck egg blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So it's got that gorgeous duck egg blue, and it's got like a grey kind of, let me open this one up so you can see it better. There we go, that's better. So we've got that duck egg blue, like a mauvey kind of purple, a mint green, And then a creamy sort of yellow colour as well in there. Oh, that is just so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. How different is that? That is just beautiful. Come on, camera, please focus. Look at that. Ah, yes. There you go. Look at that. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. Yeah, I think that's probably my favourite one. But I think it's because it's so different. That is why it's my favourite. Really, really like that. And that's given me some sort of Easter egg vibe as well, you know. I don't know which Easter egg it is, but it's definitely giving me some sort of Easter egg vibe. Really pretty. So that is the set of 12. And for a set of 12, it's £18.82. But you've got to remember, guys, these are 10 gram bags. So if you was to buy these from one of the well-known glitter stores in the UK, you'd be paying a lot more than that. A lot more than that. This is why when I worked it out, it's not really expensive at all. Really not. And look at the quality of the glitter as well. You're getting amazing quality there as well. So I am not mad at that price. I really am not. And now I want more. Now I want the rest of them. They've got another collection which I really want to get. Well, no, they've got quite a few new. They've got quite a few other collections that I really want to get. But look at that, guys. Glittery goodness at its finest. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can't wait to have a play with it all now. So that's everything for my AliExpress items. So now I ordered a couple of items off Amazon. I'm just trying to build my gel polish colour collection up, to be honest. So I thought I'd buy a couple of gel polish sets. So I got this one, which is the You Are Sugar. And this set is called the Cherry Cake Collection. Some really, really pretty colours in this. And it's got the new packaging as well. Ooh, look at that new packaging. It's beautiful. And these are 7.5ml bottles. And they're glass bottles as well, which I absolutely love. So you've got this one, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous, deep, deep red. And we've got this one, which is, oh, I like that. Like a rose pink, dusky pink. That's gorgeous. Really like that. I'm going to do a swatch video on these guys anyway, so you can see what they're like. And then there's this one. Oh, I get through so much Nude gel polish, it's unreal. So that'll come in right handy, that will. Oh, that's a nice purple. Look at that. Really like that purple. Wow, that's really dark. Looks like a brown there, but it is actually a purple, but it's a very dark purple. Again, more like a kind of burgundy purple, really. And then lastly, we've got this one. Really, really pretty colour. And then lastly, I got these PVOY gel polishes. Now, I saw someone had bought these off Amazon, and I thought they look quite nice gel polishes, so I thought I'd give them a try. And it was this colour in particular that I really, really liked. And I was desperate for quite a nice yellow. Look at that yellow, look. Really nice yellow. The consistency feels nice. Feels quite creamy, but not too thick. They look like they're going to be nice and opaque. I thought for $17.99 for 10 gel polishes, I don't think that's bad at all. I really don't. And this one was the Candy Collection, But I'm not going to show you all these today, guys, because like I say, I'm going to swatch them anyway. So if you watch the swatch video, you will get to see what colours they are. I don't want this video to get too long for you guys. So keep your eyes peeled for that video, because I'm going to be swatching these, the You Are Sugar ones, these Lily Cute ones, and I'll swatch this as well to see what this is like in the same video. So keep your eyes open for that one. Right guys, that's everything for this video today. I really hope you like everything. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and keep your notifications turned on. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.